Alright guys, so today we have a G37 Coupe. We're going to show you how to swap out this window switch right here. Say that it's scratched up or if it doesn't work anymore, we're going to show you how to do that. So we'll do that. First things first, let's grab a flathead, a Phillips head, a little extension, and a 10 mil. So we're going to come over here, and there's a little groove right here, right at the tip of my flathead. You'll see a little groove right there. That's where you want to start the initial pry from. Once you do that, just if it literally fits in there, just give it a little twist, work your way in, and then it's going to come out on the bottom first, and it'll pop out on the top. There's a hook on the top, so don't start from the top because you'll break that hook. So that's how you get that off first. And then we're going to come up here behind the door handle, and we're going to go up against that right there. And just literally it'll hook right out. There's 2 tabs in there. So this one is to the front. So that's why you want to do the back part first. So you back this up and then it'll come out like that. And then once you get that done, there's 1, 2, 3 10 mils to take off. This one you do need an extension for because it's pretty deep in there. There you go. And if you have a little magnetic tip, you should be able to grab this. Mine's not magnetic, but I might be able to get it. Oh. I mean, we're taking the door panel off anyway, so it doesn't matter if it falls. But installing it will make it easier if you have a magnetic socket. We got those out. Get under here. You're going to want to pop your light out of here like that. And then I always just unplug this first because it makes it easier when you're taking the door panel off. So if you go under here, you're going to feel little openings on the bottom. Slide your flathead in there. Just give it a slight little pry, and you'll feel it release, or you'll hear it. And then once a couple of them pop, you can just work your way around it. And then once you get all of them off, normally they stick a little better, but you'll want to go up with this first, and that will release this portion. So once you have this freed up, you want to come in here, and first we'll do the speaker. So just push down on the black tab for the speaker, and then be careful not to break the actuator. Like these little pieces right here break really easy, so make sure not to pry super hard and slide it out of the groove just gently. So then we'll get down here, press on that tab for the memory switch. Once you get to the window switch, you can kind of kneel down, and it'll make it a little easier by popping the plugs out. That one's a little tricky to get to. Alright, so we just took off the door panel off of the G37 Coupe. I'm going to show you how to get the window switch out of here. There's going to be 5 Phillips heads that we're going to take off. And once you do that, it should just pop right out the front. Like so. And that is how you remove a window switch off of a G37 Coupe.